Does your heart flutter when the leaves begin to turn, but your wallet flinches at the thought of redecorating? As the crisp breeze rolls in and golden tones take over the world outside, we're often tempted to bring that cozy autumnal magic indoors. But how do we indulge in the spirit of the season without spiraling into overspending? The answer lies not in sacrificing style, but in shopping smart, curating a home that feels straight out of a fall-themed magazine spread while sticking to a modest budget. This year, the focus is on intentional choices, affordable stores, and clever pairings that prove chic doesn't have to mean costly. Think about the charm of plaid throws, burnt orange pillows, ceramic pumpkins, and bundles of faux wheat stalks, all items that feel luxurious but are easily found at thrift stores, dollar sections, or discount retailers like Target, Dollar Tree, Home Goods, and even second-hand marketplaces. With a keen eye and a little patience, it's possible to collect a full fall look for less than the price of a single big-ticket item at a designer shop. Let's explore general concepts first. Layering is key. Textures like burlap, knit, faux fur, and distressed wood add depth without demanding a designer label. Focus on color palettes that evoke warmth: rust, amber, mustard, olive, and deep browns. These hues instantly say fall without needing to shout. Now for specifics. One standout trend is DIY mini wreaths using clearance ribbon, wire hoops, and sprigs of artificial foliage. For under $10, you can craft pieces that rival boutique creations. Candle arrangements with cinnamon sticks tied around dollar store jars create ambience on a dime. Repurpose summer items like glass vases by filling them with pine cones or dried citrus slices. Repaint an old lantern in matte black or copper tones, and it suddenly becomes the centerpiece of your fall porch. Don't overlook nature's contribution. A walk through the park can yield acorns, colorful leaves, and branches perfect for vases or tablescape. Free and authentic, the best kind of decor. Finally, always shop your own home. Often, we overlook what we already own. Rearranging, repainting, or simply reimagining an item can breathe new life into it. Mix that creativity with a few budget finds, and suddenly your space feels curated, festive, and uniquely yours. Who said stunning fall decor needs a luxury budget? Sometimes, the most stylish homes are born from resourcefulness and heart. What's your favorite budget trick for transforming your home each fall? Let's inspire each other in the comments below.